In this video, I am going to show you how to build 5 LEGO fidget toys. So let's get started. Our first build is going to be the classic, the fidget spinner. Our second build is the button. To make the mechanism work, we will be using the technique spring so it can push itself back, and we could do this forever. Our third fidget toy is going to be the infinity cube. Our fourth build is the top. And don't forget to use a 1x1 plate that has a hole. And our last build is something like a chain. You have came to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.